Hey everyone, my name is Magdalene Janet and welcome to L'Oreal Paris channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation, especially to cover up these dark spots. You see them here. This is how the after looks, just so natural and fresh. It's in the name, natural fresh skin. Let's get started. Here I have a bare face. I just did some skincare. That's why I have a little bit of radiance. I do have oily skin and my skin tone is medium to tan with a neutral undertone. I already primed the skin. You can go with primer or without primer. This is how good this foundation is. It wears beautifully. I have 3 shades that I will be swatching for you. Starting off with 470, Radiant Honey, 482, Radiant Sun, 490, Golden Amber. I have a neutral undertone, and by looking at these on the skin, 470 and 490 look really good. I can use both. I typically match my foundation with my neck and my chest, so we look cohesive. My face is typically lighter because I wear sunscreen daily. So let's go with 470. When it comes to foundation, my goal is typically to have an even tone to cover up my hyperpigmentation / melasma or manchas if you speak Spanish. And I love to have a lightweight look with breathable skin. And that's what L'Oreal Fresh Wear Foundation does. I like to add a pump or a pump and a half on my hand, warm it up with my finger. This way it gets to dry down a little bit and then apply a thin layer onto your skin. Your finger's warmth will warm up the product so well where it's gonna just glide onto your skin like this. And you see the cover up is stunning, and this is just first application. The texture feels extremely lightweight, but it has a little bit of oomph, which will adhere to your skin beautifully. You have a nice thin layer. You can leave it like this. The warmth of your finger really just applied it so evenly and lightweight. See that before and after? This is just a rough application. If you want a little more coverage, you're going to grab a brush, press it on your skin to even it on this brush, and then we are going to tap around the face. You want to make sure you don't go in with too much product because this foundation provides such great coverage. A little bit goes a long way. And I'm just doing stamping motions to get that flawless airbrush diffused look. You see this beautiful before and after. Coverage is stunning. It has a bit of a soft matte finish. Just looks beautiful on the skin. We're gonna do the same on this side, warming it up and applying a thin layer. You can always build this foundation up. Building in thin layers is gonna make your skin look super flawless, especially when it warms up and you're wearing your makeup for hours. And doing my fave tapping motions. The skin looks super beautiful. We have lightweight coverage with pigment. Skin is nice and breathable, and shade is literally perfection. And because our skin tone is typically very different on our face, neck, and shoulders, I want to show you this before and after so you can see the shade matching to a T. I absolutely love it. I do have medium to tan skin tone with the neutral undertone, and L'Oreal has a foundation shade match quiz that will be down below so you can perfectly match your foundation shade. You'll simply go to l'orealparisusa.com, start the foundation match quiz. I have oily skin, so I'm gonna choose oily. My preferred finish is long wear. I have medium skin tone and with a neutral undertone. I'm picking the skin tone that most resembles me, which is the top right, and voila, you have your shade match. And there you have it. This is the skin using L'Oreal Fresh Wear. It literally feels fresh, lightweight. We have an even tone and dark spots are covered. If you want to learn more about this foundation or where to buy, visit l'orealparisusa.com. Links are below. See you later. Bye.